Of course. And he's gonna get put in the basement too. I don't have enough borrowed time for everybody. I'm gonna pee my fucking pants. Get juked. Shit. I'm dead. He scared me. Oh. Oh shoot, they were hooked. I'll just save him my damn self. Since this Dwight's piece of shit. No! He died as soon as No!
I'm coming. Oh my god, I'm coming. I am on my way. I am the best Shrek. I'm the Usain Bolt.
I'm Usain Bolt.
No, he got hit! No, I can't have two people go down.
Run, Queen! Queen, he's coming for you! Queen, what did you just do?
Flashlight.
Oh, you have a flashlight. I was about to say, I was like, why did you do that?
There's no pallet here.
Remember, he was chasing me in here. No, he wasn't chasing. It was in the other room he was chasing me in. I'm going back into the basement again.
Getting gen points.
Yeah, he dropped me in the basement. Queen, I'm coming! Queen!
Did you recover?
Queen, he's either he's gonna hook me first or you're gonna come pick me up. I'm coming, Queen!
No, he's on me.
Not you flashlighting.
I like burned him. I like burned him.
I'm coming, Queen. Queen, I'm gonna sit in this pallet, okay? Queen! Queen!
He's
Queen!
invisible. He's invisible. I don't have Dead Heart this time, Ari.
Yes, you do! You just gotta believe!
If we
You just gotta believe.
If we both get hooked in the basement, I'm blaming you.
If we both get hooked in the basement, I'll pee my pants because that's funny. Let's go! Let's go!
Divide and conquer.
Shit, he's on me.
No, he's on me. No, he's on
he's
you.
not. Yeah.
No, he's on me!
Oh, is he?
Yeah!
Because I fell all the way back downstairs so he wouldn't... Where the Oh, your god, you're all the way over there.
He's on me. He's on me. I'm gonna try to bring him to the other side of the map.
Okay, because I'm a hatch.
He left me. He left me? He left me. No! He's right in front of that cunt bastard bitch! I'm with Yui, and we're all together. Never mind. Someone's gonna get here before you.
I hate you all. You're all racist. Korean hate.
I'm literally Japanese.
Yeah, that's not fucking Korean. I didn't say Japanese hate.
They're taking a pretty long time.
She blew up the gen and scared me. Nothing happened.
Huh.
She just blew up the gen and scared me. We don't ever do that. I want her to get off though, because I want to see if there's ruin.
I didn't even check.
Who is that? The killer's heading towards your gen, but I don't know who it is.
Really? I didn't see.
Yeah.
I heard terror radius.
I blew up the gen.
Okay, I'm Jet. I see that I'm not one here.
Yui, move! Who is that? Yui, move! It's a ghost face. What the fuck? Okay, we just all lagged. Yui and I were both in the pallet and it was not give me the option to... I have no idea when God's name... And they just disappeared! Yui and Ghostface are now... Oh, they're right there. Well, I'm going to the other side of the map then.
Killer does have ruin, though.
Okay.
You're running at me.
I'm checking to see if ruin's in here, because sometimes it's in here. Nope, there's a doll. Oh, there's Thrill of the Hunt, so, I
have repressed, so get off first. When he comes.
Wait, get off. So I can have ruin. Okay. Oh, well.
Girl's gone.
Oop, I see them run. Bestie really ran him from one side of the map to the other. Because they were in the corner where I first started. Ooh, he swung at nothing. I'm heading back over there. I'm gonna check Jack to see if his ruin's in here at all. Okay, Yui's on that gen. Oh, she was in here already. No, he doesn't have ruin in here. So I've cleansed 2 dolls. Thrill of the Hunt was cleansed. So there's only 2 totems left on the map.
Mm-hmm.
And one of them is ruin.
We need to check inside.
Mm-hmm. Okay, 3 totems down. Yui and I are on this gen. The other Yui. Oh, the other Yui's injured, so I might heal her when we pop this. I might heal her, I mean I will.
My breakout didn't work, and neither did my toolbox, because I didn't even do anything. I'm leading him away from the hook. We're in main building.
I know, I see you guys. Yui will not let me heal her, so I'm not going to heal her.
He left me.
Oh, Hatch is gonna be outside main building. Yui just ran in air, so...
He's camping. Oh.
Well, I have borrowed, so... What the hell is he doing?
He hit the rock.
Sloppy Butcher's the other one. Yes! Sabotage the hook, Yui! Get the hook, Yui! Yes! Yes!
She has Saboteur, so that means she probably has Breakout.
He's gonna wait for the hook to come back.
And I have a toolbox.
Oh my god, are you all injured?
Yeah.
What is he do? What is this? Get it! Yui's getting it!
She's gonna go down.
She got it!
That means your wiggle bar's like almost full.
She got it! She's got it! No! He keeps swinging! I'm heading to the pallet. No, Yui! No, pick me up, Queen! Yes! Yes! Oh, he's looking at nothing! Oh!
Come on, leave. We gotta heal. It's right here. Protect me.
I don't know where you are. He picked up Queen! He picked up Queen, but I don't have Saboteur. She dead-hearted, and for what? I don't know where you are. Oh, you're right here.
You don't know where I am, Ari.
Well, this pallet's done if he comes over here. Jesse, he's coming. No, he's not. What the fuck is this game? Don't ever stalk me, I'll reveal you.
Like, I don't know what he was gonna gain out of it. Like, we were both staring at him.
You're injured.
You don't say.
I didn't get enough. Should we just do this gen in his face?
I was doing the gen in the back.
Oh, over there. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
It's probably better to spread out anyway. I love that both of you kept just sabotaging the hook, and then... I love that for us.
Mm-hmm.
Nia dead-hearted at nothing, though. Like, she dead-hearted, and he never swung, and I was like, okay, Queen, go off. God, I wish I had Saboteur, but it's okay. I'll be the one who actually saves them if we need to save somebody.
Mm-hmm.
So that means there's only 1 totem left, unless one of them got a totem.
Mm-hmm.
Because, So if there's no one, we're gonna be running around the map looking for 1 single totem.
Pretty much. Go ahead and go start on the other gen.
Okay. Oh, I found the last totem. I'm gonna cleanse it, actually. It's up on the hill. That means there's no totems in the main building.
Hmm.
Okay, so you cleansed one, right?
I have no clue. They're looping at main building. We need to finish this shit.
Yeah. Yeah, I hear him. So, but okay, so both hexes got cleansed. I cleansed 2 dolls, and then you said you cleansed a doll.
I think I cleansed the doll. Emphasis on think. No, I cleansed Ruin.
Yeah, I know, that's what I'm saying.
Well, if he comes over here, I still have her press.
If he comes over here, Yui's there! Yui! Yui! Yui!
You might actually
Yui.
go safe.
I will. I just wanted to get my skill check before it blew up. Okay, he's chasing. No!
Take the hit, you haven't been
Shit.
hooked.
He left me.
He's going back to the hook, that's why.
Yeah, I know. Please get her, Yui. Thank God. I'm headed to the door that was closest to us.
I haven't even started it yet.
You are getting chased over here.
You're not hitting her. You're not hitting her. You are not hitting her. He's tunneling. Open the door. Open the door.
I am.
You're not hitting her. You're not hitting her.
Can you come back to the door?
We're at the other door. Just open it. Open it, girl. Open it, girl. Open it, girl. No!
I will come save you.
For the people? Do you have for the people? Do you have for the people?
No, I don't.
Nia. No, she doesn't. I'm getting hooked.
Bestie, I don't know what I'm supposed to do because I'm injured.
Nia's right in front of me. But
And she left.
Yeah, because you always on the ground. She got downed. He's he's like literally in front of me.
So do you not want me to save you then?
Yui got me. I mean,
Okay.
Hey, Nia. Ah, Mr. fucking swing. Ah. That was amazing.
Ah.